Hello, hi, hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Saranaps from Uganda, Kampala. Hope God has kept you well. I wish you a happy new year, and I hope you got a good time in Christmas. Today I'm going to show you how we make African pancakes. We make pancakes out of bananas, ripe bananas. So that's what we are going to make today. So I'm going to show you how we make African pancakes. Hope you enjoy and learn. Thank you. Let's go straight to the video. Bye. Kindly subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. Hello, now we are starting to make the African pancakes. We use the bananas, ripe bananas, as you can see them. These ones, this is what we use to make our African pancakes. They are very sweet, so you don't need to put in more sugar. Bananas are very sweet, so use them to make our pancakes. Let's go on. See, this is the yeah. So these are our bananas we are going to make. I use my hands to squeeze them and make sure your hands are very clean. So after removing the peels of the yellow bananas, I had to squeeze them. Just as you can see, you make sure you have yellow bananas and make sure your hands are very clean. Some people do use gloves, but I didn't find them. But yeah, it's okay for us to use our hands if they are very clean. You make sure you wash them thoroughly. So you squeeze these bananas until they become so soft, or you can put in cassava flour and you squeeze the bananas with the cassava flour. Yeah, so this is how we do it here in Africa, Uganda. And then we shall be ready to make our African pancakes. Thank you. So it is time to put this. This is cassava flour. Yes. So after squeezing my yellow bananas, I have to put the cassava flour. This is called cassava flour. We get it from cassava. We go to the garden, we get our cassava and we put it under sunshine. When it dries, it can take maybe like a week or 4 days. I don't know. It depends how much the sunshine is in your home country. After this, we take it to the machine to grind it, or we make it locally at our home, and then we use it to make these African pancakes, or we can use it as food and we eat it like posho, cassava posho. Yeah, but for now we are putting it in our pancakes. I'll make sure that I put what is enough. Yeah, I put it till I don't see the yellow bananas again. So whatever I add in the cassava flour, the color will be changing. It keeps on changing, and you reach to the extent that you see these yellow bananas no longer stick on your hand. So you have to get to know that maybe it is now ready. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you're learning, and if you have yellow bananas at home, kindly don't waste them or don't throw them away. You can make African pancakes just like this. I just realized some people do put in baking powder or sugar, but we don't. We don't, because in Africa, I myself with my family, we don't put sugar or baking powder in pancakes. Maybe you can put a little of baking powder, but you don't put sugar because the bananas themselves are already sugary. Yeah, it has its own sugar, so I don't see the reason as to why I should add in sugar. Yeah, okay, thank you so much for watching. Kindly stay tuned, and yeah, let's enjoy watching how we make our African pancakes in Uganda. Kindly subscribe to my channel, feel free, and yeah, give my video a thumbs up. I love you, take care, bye. Guys, you see it has started changing color to this, you see. So I think it is ready right now, because you see it is not sticking on my hands anymore. And yeah, so now it is ready, and it is sweet. Most people add in sugar, but we don't add in anything. We just use bananas, yellow bananas, and cassava flour. The cassava flour I showed you, this one is the cassava flour. We get it from this cassava. This is cassava. So after peeling this cassava, we wash it and we grind it. We take it to the machines to grind it to get this. After this, we put it under sunshine. It dries for some good days, and then we take it to the machine to get this. Yeah, so this is what we use to get this the pancakes. Yeah, so it's ready. I think so, it's ready. I need to squeeze it for some more good 10 minutes, and then yeah, we shall be able to cook our African pancakes. I know people watching from Nigeria, you make pancakes. From Kenya, I don't know how you make them, but I would love to taste Nigerian pancakes one time, because I already see I don't know what they're putting. Yeah, they look so sweet. So for now, it looks like I am done. Yeah, you see, you see, this is how it looks like being an African. So soft, yeah. So it seems like, guys, I'm done. So we are going to make the pancakes. Where I'm going to work from, I've put this table. Yeah, I'm going to cook under, like squeezing it from this table. So what you're going to use, putting this here. So the table you're seeing here is the one I'm going to use to cut my pancakes. Yeah, I use a bigger table because I want to finish in time. Before doing anything, I'll have my cassava flour. I put it on the table. This helps me like my pancakes not to stick on the table. Yeah, when I lay them here to cut them out, I have to first put this cassava flour. When I'm removing it from the table, it doesn't give me hard time like sticking on the on the table. Yeah, so I have to squeeze it like this, and yeah. So we are going to put cooking oil here, and yeah, we shall be ready to fry our African pancakes. We still have more yellow bananas, you see them? So now I'm going to get a bottle. I'll do it. I sometimes use this, but it has given me hard time, so I'm going to use this bottle.
this mirror bottle.
So if you don't have this, you can use that
Mirror bottle.
Yeah. I get a glass. So after I get a small glass, you can see it's the one I use to make this. Make this. So these are the pancakes you're gonna fly. Hope you see. I've ever heard of American pancakes. So these are African pancakes. Okay, are you seeing the African pancakes? African pancakes. African pancakes. I'll put the name Africa here. Write the name African pancakes. African pancakes. African pancakes. After I get my glass, I make sure I cut them into the size we want. So finally we have our African pancake. So finally, after using this glass to cut the size I want, this size, can you put the camera down? This size is the size I want. So finally we shall be able to have our African pancakes. I've ever heard of American pancakes, I've ever heard of Kenyan pancakes, Nigerian pancakes. So here we have the Ugandan pancakes. This is the only way how we make our pancakes in Uganda. Thank you so much. Keep watching and feel free to subscribe. Bye. Don't forget I upload African content and traveling content. Thank you. So guys, this is how I've cut the pancakes. You can see. So we put this, I go on doing this, so that this is because I don't want them to bring bubbles in them. So I'll go on pinching into everyone. Yeah, like this. I'll make more pancakes from these, the ones we are removing. So right now the pancake is ready to be fried. So if you're done, I use a knife. This is my knife. So I cut it like this from down, and this is it. Look at the pan. So I put it here. I cut this one. I put it here. I cut another one. I put it here. Like that. So I'm going to be doing it. Funny, I can do one more. Yeah. So the person is going to be, my sister is going to be frying them as I finish here. So I put them on the tray to ease the job for her. She just have to remove it and put it in the cooking oil. So guys, this is my cooking oil. So I'm going to put my pancakes. Tuwaya kufoko. Woo! Let's have fork. So I use a fork to help me change it. Oh my god, it's burning too much. Oh god, eyatika omuliro gwaka ano wonna ne wajja. Hope you can see it has started changing colors. Yeah, so we leave it for a moment. So you see how it is changing colors. Look at this, look at this. Lemagenda akaswani kali ke nagula akeeru kamu wagule wasala ngoletayo kamu yangu atujjemu ono nga mutamyo mukake. This is our final stage, and then we shall eat our pancakes. Hey guys, finally we have our African pancakes. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Focus. See, this is it. These are the African pancakes, and this is how we fry them here in Uganda. Hope you love them. So pretty. Look at our African pancakes. Look at our African pancakes. I love them. Our pancakes is ready and it looks so yummy. See, this is how it looks like inside. Hope you see, and I'll test it and see. The test for African pancakes is over. So yummy. So this is how we do it. This is what I wanted to show you, how we make the African pancakes here in Uganda. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you love African content. If you love tourism content, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. May God bless you. I have to continue cooking other pancakes for today. Bye. I wish you a happy new year.